Hello students, welcome to the third video of Science Class 7 Chapter 10 Respiration in Organisms. In the previous video of this chapter, we have discussed about breathing, and in today's video, we are going to discuss about process of breathing. So let us start. Let us understand how the breathing take place. Students, as you know that we take in air through our nostril or nose. The opening which is present in our nose are called nostril. After inhalation, the inhaled air passes into the nasal cavity through the nostrils, and the air we inhale has various types of unwanted particles such as smoke, dust, pollen, etc. And these particles get trapped in the air in nasal cavity. Sometimes these particles irritate the inner lining of the cavity, as a result of which we sneeze out. The sneezing lets foreign particle out from the inhaled air. The inhaled air from the nasal cavity moves through the windpipe and reach into the lungs. Lungs are present in the chest cavity, which is surrounded by ribs on the sides. And the floor of the chest cavity is formed by a large muscular sheath called diaphragm. And the breathing process involves the movement of the diaphragm and the rib cage. The movement of the diaphragm is controlled by a group of muscles called intercostal muscles. And students, now let us understand what happened during the inhalation process. During the inhalation, the ribs of the chest cavity moves up and outward, and the diaphragm moves to the downwards. And this movement of ribs and diaphragm leads to the expansion of the chest cavity, and this result the air moves into the lungs, and in this way inhalation process take place. And students, now let us understand how the exhalation process takes place. During the exhalation, the ribs start to moving down and inwards, while the diaphragm moves up to its former position. Due to this, the chest cavity start to contract, and this result the air pushed out of the lungs, and thus exhalation process get completed. Now the question is, what do we breathe out? Students, did you know that what are the components of the air that we exhale? The air we exhale contains carbon dioxide and water vapor or moisture. And the presence of moisture in the exhaled air can be easily seen if you exhale on a mirror. A thin film of moisture covers the mirror that disappears after some times. And students, now let us know about the percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide in inhaled and exhaled air. You can see on your screen a table which showing you the percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide in inhaled air and exhaled air. In inhaled air, the oxygen is in 20% and the carbon dioxide is 0.04%. And in exhaled air, oxygen is 16.4% while carbon dioxide is 4.4%. Students, now let us revise what we have learned today. Question 1. We take in air through our dash A. Nostrils, B. Mouth, C. Skin, D. All of these. And the right answer is A. Nostrils. Question 2. The floor of the chest cavity is formed by a large muscular sheath called dash A. Lungs, B. Diaphragm, C. Windpipe, D. Ribs. And the right answer is B. Diaphragm. Question 3. The movement of diaphragm is controlled by a group of muscles called dash A. Cardiac muscle, B. Intercostal muscles, C. Voluntary muscles, D. All of these. And the right answer is B. Intercostal muscles. Question 4. What is the percentage of oxygen in exhaled air? A. 0.04, B. 4.4, C. 16.4, D. 21. And the right answer is C, 16.4. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screens. Students, we will be present soon with the next video of this chapter. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.